Good day, my name is Marie Cristi Castro, your teacher today. And today, we are going to discuss the properties of parallelogram. Properties of a parallelogram. But before we discuss the properties of parallelogram, let us define what is a parallelogram. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel. Side AB is parallel to side DC and side AD is parallel to side BC. So the two sides are parallel, or opposite sides are parallel. We have 7 properties of a parallelogram. So here are the 7 properties of a parallelogram. So we have number 1, opposite sides are parallel. And number 2, we have opposite sides are congruent. Number 3, opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Diagonals bisect each other. One pair of sides are congruent and parallel. Each diagonal divides the quadrilateral into 2 congruent triangles. So here are the properties of a parallelogram. So AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So opposite sides are parallel. Next, property number 2, opposite sides are congruent, where congruent means equals. So segment AB is congruent to segment DC and segment AD is congruent to segment BC. So if we have 5 inches as AB, we have also DC as 5 inches. And AD, if it is equivalent to 3 inches, side BC is also 3 inches. So opposite sides are congruent, where AB is congruent to DC and AD is congruent to BC. So let's proceed to the property number 3. Property number 3. Opposite angles are congruent. So angle A and angle C, we have angle P and angle B. For example, if angle A is 120 degrees, angle C should be also 120 degrees. And also if angle D is equal to 60 degrees, angle B should be 60 degrees. So opposite angles are congruent. Let's proceed to property number 4. Consecutive angles are supplementary. Consecutive means next to. And supplementary means the sum is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the consecutive angles should be 180 degrees. So in our example a while ago, angle A is equal to 120 degrees, angle C is 120, angle B is 60, and angle D is 60. So if we are going to add 120 and 60, the sum is 180. 60 and 120, the sum is equal to 180 degrees. 120 plus 60 is 180 degrees. So therefore, property number 4, consecutive angles are supplementary. In our example, we have line segment AC and line segment DB are the diagonals. So diagonals bisect each other. Segment AB is congruent to segment AC. Segment DE is congruent to segment EB. So the two. Property number 6, we have one pair of sides are congruent and parallel. The last property of parallelogram, each diagonal divides the quadrilateral into 2 congruent triangles. Thank you for listening. These are the properties of a parallelogram.